There's a massive construction boom taking place in the US, and there are trillions of dollars behind it. Coming up, we'll explain why and how investors may benefit from it. So let's dive in to this week's market moves. Okay, on market moves, we love our numbers, so try these ones on for size. Between January of last year and the middle of March of this year, companies in the US unveiled $1.4 trillion in new or expanded manufacturing facilities. That's on top of more than $750 billion in similar investments announced under the previous American president, Joe Biden. So it's happening regardless of party politics. As for who's spending the money, let's get into that now. There are three standout industries leading the way on this build-out. You've got technology, or more specifically consumer electronics. Apple's a great example. The company alone plans to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years on its US production. You've got pharma, or pharmaceuticals, which represents nearly a quarter of all announced investments, or about $280 billion. And then coming back to tech, and perhaps not a surprise to you, the mighty semiconductor players. It's a boom time for the chip industry, and as an example, Taiwan Semiconductor alone has committed $165 billion to expanding its US operations. Okay, so that's the top layer of spending, but where's the money actually going? Well, for all you construction junkies, we've got some insight on that. Intel has said that just one new semiconductor plant requires enough concrete to fill more than 240 Olympic swimming pools, more than 75,000 tons of steel, and 6,000 construction workers on site. And that's just one facility. Now multiply that across hundreds of new plants that are going up across the United States. So how does an investor play this? Well, all of that spending flows through four kinds of companies: construction and engineering firms, companies that supply raw materials, equipment makers, and the transportation companies that move all those materials around. And that's the focus of the Global X U.S. Infrastructure Development Index ETF, ticker PAVE, P-A-V-E. It holds U.S. listed companies tied to this build-out across construction, materials, equipment, and transportation. Names you might know, like John Deere, CSX, and Trane Technologies. You can learn more about it at globalx.ca. That's it for Market Moves. What market moves are you watching? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next investing video.